Hello everyone, how are you doing? It's been a while on this channel, but I said I should quickly share this information to all my viewers and subscribers. Right now, I think this is the best information you can get on the internet right now. So there's a program that is launching and the application is opening today, and I think you should hear about the program because I have also benefited from the program, and then I think this is a very good information I should share with you guys. So we have an organization called Talent Up Africa, and what they essentially what they do is they actually hunt talent and actually offer training services as well. But they have this particular program right now which they are training, offer free training on AWS. Yes, it is free training on AWS, and the training would offer you the best hands-on that you can ever think of. And the beauty of it all is that you are going to be offered free certification, free voucher to take the exams. And I can tell you this is not one of those things you see around on the internet. This is real and this is genuine because I've actually enjoyed the benefit of the program. And when I saw that the new application is open, I say this is a very good information that everybody should hear about. So typically the program is actually divided into two, right? We have the basic level and then we have the advanced level. Okay, so the basic level is maybe someone that's maybe you don't have a cloud experience before, or you just want to enter cloud, or you have some basic experience, you don't have certification, right? So this is an opportunity to earn certification. So in the basic level, they are going to offer you cloud practitioner training for free, and then during the training there will also be a live session, right? And then after the training they will give you a voucher to take your cloud practitioner exam. As you can see on this newsletter, I will also share the link on the description section after this video. So the application actually opens today and it will end on 21st of September. So I don't want you to dull on this one, so please go straight. I will share the link where you can take the application with you. Just take and apply because the benefits of this program you can't get it anywhere, and I'm telling you the real fact. So the second portion of the program, which is the advanced portion of it, that would actually open somewhere around November, as you can see. No, November. And what this advanced level offer is actually two certification, right? The certification is two. You have the solution architect certification and the developer certification, right? So actually it's not really developer certification. Let me say it's actually in two track. You have the developer track and you have the data track, but I don't really know how they would structure it in the next cohort. But in the last cohort that's just finished, maybe around last month or so, they have the data track and then we have the developer track. So the prerequisite for you to get into the advanced level is the cloud practitioner certification. So, and I believe that is why they want more people to get into the advanced track. Most likely that is why they are now opening doors for people to get into the foundation level, which is more or less like getting the cloud practitioner certification, which will now qualify you to be able to go into the second phase, which is the advanced level. So I don't want you to dwell on this. I think here, so here is where you can apply, as you can see. So as I was saying it, this is the cloud practitioner, the first one, which actually runs for 1 month. So during the 1 month, you get access to online training by AWS directly, and then you also have your one-on-one session where you can ask questions and then have some clarification about things that are not clear. Then after that, maybe most likely you are expected to take your exam around October or so. Then around November, the advanced certification would start, and that would run for 4 months. So in that 4 months, you would also study, and after the study, you will have the solution architect first, and then you have the data data maybe data engineering certification, or you have the developer certification. But here is it. So let me just quickly explain on that. As I said earlier, the last cohort actually they actually run 2 track, right? The first track is the solution or let me say the first track is the data track, right? And the second track is the developer track. Okay, here you have it. So you can see this is the way the program is structured. You have a requirement of this, and then it starts in November. So everybody, like the developer track and the data engineering track, you will have to take this solution architect certification, and after you've passed the solution architect certification, then you can now graduate to another track, maybe the developer track or the data track. So this information is very vital, and you can see to qualify for the program, blah 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 blah, you must have AWS practitioner foundation, which is a practitioner is AWS practitioner, which is the foundation, as you can see it, and it should be valid as at this date before you apply for the program. And there is just a caveat to the second stage actually. So I think the second stage might actually be favorable for those who are in Lagos, but I don't know, maybe there might be a change to this. But for now, for you to join the advanced level, you have to be in Lagos. I mean, the one that will come up November, you have to be in Lagos. They are also running another program in Kenya, so this information is very important for those who are in Kenya and Nigerians most specifically. So if you are a Nigerian, at least you can benefit from the first one, which is the foundation. The foundation cloud practitioner does not require you to be in Lagos, but the advanced class would require you to be in Lagos. And the reason for that is because there is usually a meeting point whereby they actually get people, I mean certified AWS trainer, to come and train you guys on site. So I believe this is the reason why they would require you to be in Lagos for the advanced track. But if you are not in Lagos, I think you can benefit from the one that the application is opening today, which would actually run for a month, and you would have access to get the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification. So I will drop all this link in the comment section. Please take time to read through and apply. The program will benefit you a lot. I can tell you, you will learn from AWS portal, and you also have access to a lot of hands-on that you can use to practice anything, and at the end of the program you'll be sure that yes, you have learned a skill and a certification. And they also promise to help in jobs if you're successful. So, but the most important thing I think you should focus on learning first, get the certification, and then get what it requires. And even though you end up not working for them, your certification can place you on a better point or on a better pedestal to seek job opportunity anywhere in the world. As we all know, cloud is the in thing now. Everybody wants to move to cloud, and even while you are moving to cloud, you should be able to move correctly and to be able to manage infrastructure, because so many organizations has run to the cloud and now they are coming back to on-premise, and the reason is because they don't have good hands to manage those cloud services for them, and they end up spending money and paying so much for due to lack of knowledge. But why are you going to blame? So here is the opportunity. So I want you to grab this opportunity, enroll for the program, enroll for the boot camp, and before you know it, you are there. You get everything you need. So I will post all this link um on the comment section, so you can see everything you need for this information. You can see all the information you need are there. Just go through it, apply for the program, and before you know it, you are there. So see you on the other side of success. Have a very wonderful day. I think I would have some good time now. I will try to bring in more content, put in my tutorials and some other information. At least I've learned new things for the past couple of months. I will also share with you guys. Have a very wonderful day, and bye bye.